In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to Google Drive. By the end, you'll have your Google Drive linked to n8n, so you can automate tasks like listing files, uploading documents, or organizing folders directly from your workflows. First, open n8n in your browser. If you're using the cloud version or a self-hosted instance, head to your workspace and create a new workflow. You'll land on a blank canvas. Here, click Add First Step to insert your initial node. This opens the node picker, which is where you'll find all the apps and actions you can plug into your workflow. In the search bar, type Google Drive and select the Google Drive node from the results. Once the node is added to the canvas, you'll see a drop-down to choose what you want this node to do. This is the action menu. Pick the action that best matches your goal, such as listing files, uploading a file, or creating a folder. You can change this later, so don't worry if you're still deciding. Next, you'll see a field labeled Credentials to connect with. This tells n8n which Google account and permission set to use. Open the drop-down, then choose Create New Credential. This ensures your connection is secure and scoped only to what your workflow needs. You'll be asked to select between OAuth 2 and Service Account. OAuth 2 is best when you're connecting a regular Google Drive tied to a user. A Service Account is better for server-to-server automations or shared drives with specific configurations. For this walkthrough, select OAuth 2. Now enter your client ID followed by your client secret. These come from the Google Cloud Console, where you create an OAuth client for your project. If you already have them, paste them in carefully. As a tip, make sure the redirect URL shown in n8n is added to the authorized redirect URIs in your Google OAuth credentials. This is essential for the sign-in flow to succeed. Also, keep these values secure and never share them publicly. When everything looks correct, click Save. n8n will guide you through the authorization process. If needed, just sign in to the appropriate Google account and grant the requested permissions so the selected actions can work properly. After saving, your Google Drive node should show that it's connected. You can now adjust any action-specific fields, and when you're ready, run the node or the entire workflow to confirm the connection works as expected. That's it, your n8n workflow is connected to Google Drive and ready to automate.